Hi guys, here is your second set of muscles that we are dissecting for the rabbit. We have pectoris major, intercostal muscles, linea alba, and the external abdominal oblique muscles. So those are the four muscles that we will be dissecting for this second set of muscles. Here you can see I have the pectoris major colored in orange. That is the pectoris major. Here you can see the pectoris major. So this side I have separated at the bottom here, and I can put the scissors underneath the pectoris major and kind of lift it up there. So that is that muscle. And then you can see on the other side where I haven't done anything, you can see kind of that line there that shows where that muscle is. Pectoris major. Here are the intercostal muscles between the ribs. Intercostal, inter means between, costal means ribs. Intercostal muscles are between the ribs. And the external abdominal oblique muscles in the blue. So here are the external abdominal oblique muscles. They're on each side. They're rather thin in dogs and cats and rabbits. In horses and cows, those big herbivores, they are heftier. But here are the external abdominal oblique muscles there on the abdomen. So you can kind of see the striations going up away from the middle section there, which is the linea alba. On the side here, you can see the intercostal muscles. So I've already peeled back the latissimus dorsi, so you can see I'm replacing it now, and I show how I cut it, and then I've revealed the intercostal muscles between the ribs right there, intercostal muscles. Then here is the linea alba. It's just that white line that goes down through the abdomen. That white line is the linea alba. It is where you would cut the abdomen to gain access to do a spay for a dog or a cat. So that's the linea alba. Here is the linea alba in yellow and the external abdominal oblique muscles in blue. So you can see them colored in your notes. Just to review again, the external abdominal oblique muscles, the linea alba, the line running down the middle, the linea alba. Moving over to the side of the rabbit, you can see the intercostal muscles between the ribs, the intercostal muscles. And then on the chest of the rabbit, pectoris major. Pectoris major. Those are the four muscles of the second set of the rabbit that we are dissecting. So good luck, guys. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask us.